All right, so to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone, the easiest way to do this is through the Quick Settings. So we're going to swipe down from the top right corner to open Quick Settings. And if you only see a few buttons on the top, just swipe down again to reveal the full panel of Quick Settings. Then, within these buttons here, you'll be looking for the Do Not Disturb mode. Each phone is going to look slightly different, but on my phone, for example, I can expand this view here, and usually Do Not Disturb looks like a circle with a little line going through it. So I can see my Do Not Disturb mode is right here. I will tap that, and it turns it off. That's it, really. On some phone models, you might not see Do Not Disturb here directly. Instead, you will see a button called Modes. So you would tap that, and then within your modes, you will have Do Not Disturb mode, and you can turn it off. If for some reason you don't see that in the quick settings, you can do this through the regular settings as well. So we'll go to Settings first, and then on my Samsung phone, I will go to Notifications. And here I will then find Do Not Disturb. Mine's already turned off, but if it was on like this, I would simply turn the toggle off. And like I said, on some other phones, you would find this under Settings, then Modes. And from there, you turn off Do Not Disturb. And that is how you turn off Do Not Disturb on your Android phone. If this video helped you, please let me know by clicking that like button down there. It helps me more than you'd think. Thanks all, until next time.